All righty. So this is pretty much the finale of this assignment, this active lecture. We are now going to calculate the cosine function and the tangent function. We're going to start off with our angle in degrees, and all I'm doing is referencing the angle in degrees here. So I'll just pull over 4 more and just say center and middle. So I referenced E1. That's what the equal sign is about. Because I just want to tap on this and then feel. Let me do that again. Tap and then feel and just drag down. When I do that, you'll see that all of my angles come over. The main problem for both of these, let me see. Oh, well, that didn't do it. But the main thing is that the number has too many decimal places. So I need to do the same thing for both of these. Well, I'll leave that one alone, but I don't want all of those decimal places. So this is going to be the cosine function. Oh, man. See if I can make it come up without it being. So right now, you see my keyboard. I cannot access the letters. All it's giving me are the numbers. And why, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm too zoomed in. I'll try it again. Nope. So I'm going to have to exit the app and then come back to it and let it re-download. And in this, I'm just going to go ahead and say, double tap, cosine function. And the cosine function is just equal to, wait a minute, how did I do that? Oh, good, cosine function. Ooh, I thought I had done something wrong there. So I have x divided by r. You see all of those plus sign, those pound signs there? They'll go away. They just indicate that the cell is a little bit too small for the amount of numbers that are in there. But anyways, let's go back to our cosine function. Next to that, let's refer to our angle in degrees again in the E column here. So for I, I'm going to refer to E, and I'm just going to say, reduce let me see here. They're both middle and centered. Let me see, that's not middle. Oh, that's not centered in the middle. Okay. So now we have our angle in degrees. I'm going to place the tangent function right next to it. So this is this tangent function, or I can just go ahead and pull this down. Let me underscore that. Fill and then just drag down. And then my tangent function is not a fill and drag down. It's actually equal to y, and that's going to be b2 divided by a, or x, and that's a2. So now I have my angle in degrees. I have my cosine, my sine, my tangent. I'm just going to fill down. I can grab all 3 of these functions, and I can pull all the way down. Again, I want my angle in degrees to just have no decimal places. And I'll do it for both of them now. Okay. So we are now going to graph the angle in degrees versus the cosine function. This is what I mean when you see all these pound signs. All I have to do is just double tap on J and it opens it up. If I open them up a little bit more, you wouldn't even see all of them. So angle in degrees and the cosine function, I'm going to go ahead and insert charts and XY scatter again. I'm going to select on my scatter plot, and lo and behold, there's the cosine function. So let me go ahead and add elements. So the primary horizontal is angles, and that's in degrees. And then the primary vertical, that is the sine function. All right. So I have a cosine function, I have the sine function, and this is really a correlation between our angle and